The noun ちょしゃ appears on book covers and in paper information. 著者、本の表紙や論文の情報でよく出てくるよ。著者 means the person who wrote a book, article, or paper. It's not only novelists. It can be any writer of a text. 本や記事、論文などを書いた人のこと。職業の小説家だけでなく、報告書やウェブ記事の書き手も含む。The first kanji means right or notable. It often relates to books and publications. You see it in words like chomei and arawas. Think someone who writes something noteworthy. The second kanji means person. It marks a type of person who does something. You see it in sha and wakamono. So together, it points to a person connected with writing. The author of this book is famous. この本の著者は有名です。この本の著者は有名です。I got a signature from the 著者。著者にサインをもらいました。著者にサインをもらいました。The author lives in Tokyo. 著者は東京に住んでいます。著者は東京に住んでいます。Check the authors of the paper. 論文の著者を確認してください。論文の著者を確認してください。The most common synonyms of the word are ひっしゃ and さくしゃ. ひっしゃ is used by the writer to refer to themselves in a text. さくしゃ is the maker of a work in general, not only writing. 著者 is neutral for the person who wrote a text. The most common antonym of the word is 読者. 著者 creates the text, while 読者 reads it.